ngobrol sama suaminya lah. Jandi kali Jandi. Halo. Hey, hola. Hey, are you twin? Are you guys twin?
Yes.
Oh, tuh. Tuh, you are twin. Oh, can you speak English? Are you from Israel?
Yeah, where are you from?
I'm from Taiwan.
Ma?
I'm from Taiwan. Do you know Taiwan?
Oh.
Ni chào sao mình sợ. Bisa kan gue bahasa Taiwan?
What?
What is your name?
Shalva and Shachar.
Salva and apa? Salaka.
Shachar.
Saka.
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Zhongli. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Are you from Russia?
Yeah.
Are you from Russia?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you speak English?
Can you speak English?
So.
Yes.
Because I can't speak Russian, so I don't understand. If you speak Russian.
If you speak Russian.
Ah?
Repeat, please.
Aduh.
Ah.
Okay. I can speak Russian.
Speak Russian.
Because lagi. So if you speak Russian, I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Ya. Oh, ya, gitu. What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is Lisa, and your name is Zila.
Liza
Lisa.
Lisa, yeah.
and
Z.
Z.
Zila.
Zila.
Yes.
Zila.
D.
G.
G.
Zila.
What is
Zila.
your name?
My name is apa itu? Ade Ahlan.
Ade Ahlan.
Ahlan.
Wow.
Ahlan.
Where do you live?
I am live in Indonesia.
in Indonesia.
Oh.
Do you know Indonesia?
Do you know Indonesia?
Yes.
Where is it?
Where is it?
How did you learn Russian words?
How did you? I can speak. I cannot speak Russian.
Cannot speak Russian.
I want to learn. Sorry. 1 second, please.
Yeah. I'll wait.
Yeah.
I'll wait.
I'll wait.
Easy.
Easy.
Just take it easy.
Battle
Just take
Huh?
it easy.
was 1 second. Repeat me.
What are you searching?
After me.
What are you searching?
Okay.
Huh?
Repeat after me.
Ya. Apa?
Yeah.
What?
Бутылка.
What?
What is it? What does it mean?
Bottle.
What is it mean?
Butilka.
Bottle. Бутылка.
Butilka.
Oh, good.
Butilka.
Butilka.
Diajarin gue mau.
Я.
Diajarin.
Hah?
Я.
Ya.
Тебя.
Ya.
Sibah.
Тебя.
Люблю.
Dub. Ah, dub.
Very good.
You said I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
Yes.
Yes,
Я
oh.
люблю тебя. I love you.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Good.
And
Good.
Are you not go to school?
Are you not go to school?
sorry.
Are you not go to school?
Are you not go to school?
Are you not go to school?
School. Do you know school?
It's
Cool. You
holiday.
know school?
Holiday because COVID.
Holiday because COVID.
No.
No.
A winter holiday.
Oh, winter holiday.
Winter holiday.
Yeah.
So there is no holiday for COVID.
Holiday for COVID.
No.
No.
For
No.
You always go to school
You always go to school
every day.
what?
every
Repeat.
day.
Yeah, lo ke sekolah mulu, nih kan lagi COVID nih.
I don't understand.
Oh, oke.
Please.
You you go to school every day.
No, 4 day.
Ah, iya, gue juga tahu maksud gue entu, aduh, yes. Oke, I understand you. Apa kabar lu, Bang? Udah lama gua gak nongol. Iya, lu gak nongol lu, parah lu. Apa itu? Halo.
Man.
Hello. What are you doing there?
Hindi. You, Bible, America.
Hey, can you speak English?
No.
You Are you from Saudi Arabia?
Yeah, man. Yeah, Saudi Arabia.
Saudi. Where is it? Makkah, Madinah.
Where's
What city do you live in? Tuh, orang Arab gila-gila juga nih, Arab gila ini mah. Boy. Assalamualaikum. Woi.
Salam, you crazy?
I am
Crazy.
crazy. You are the crazy one.
You crazy.
Dancing, no clear.
You crazy.
Oh, I'm handsome, no crazy.
What? Listen, man.
Nih, gue bisa nyanyi lagu Tamiya nih, bahasa Arab nih. Samik la tatarodda lahik الفوز مؤكد لن يهزم أبدا منسى بانتصار بك لا تترد اللاحق الفوز مؤكد لن يهزم أبدا منسى نوى الانتصار. Tuh, bisa kan, wih? Pakai bahasa Arab. سابق لا تترد اللاحق الفوز. Dia punya kursi gaming. Wih, lagi ngapain nih? What are you doing there? Can you speak English?
Yes, we speak English.
Okay,
So.
good. You learn from school?
Yes,
Oh, good.
Good.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
15. So you are a junior high school student?
Yes.
Okay, what are you doing here in ometv?
And
What are you searching for? You're practicing your English?
yes,
How many people over there?
there is 5 people there.
5 people. Oh, many people over there. Are you not doing physical distancing in the COVID?
Yes.
How is COVID in your country?
What?
Is it bad? How is COVID in your country?
It's
So
bad.
bad, terrible. Many of people dead
Yes.
over there because of COVID. Are you go to school?
Yes,
In
we
this-
will go to school on 12th of January.
Really? In
Yes.
this COVID pandemic?
Yes.
Yes, we are. I'm dying.
Is that so risky? So risky for the
We know.
because the COVID is very contagious.
We know. We like Russia.
Okay, Russia is very strong.
What?
Russian is very strong.
We think so. Yes.
What time is it? What time is it over there?
It is 7:30 p.m.
7:30 p.m. 7 p.m.
Yes.
Oke, maghrib berarti.
Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia. Do you know Indonesia?
Oh,
Huh?
It's cool.
20 minutes ago we talked to
Indonesian people.
He was in Indonesia too.
Okay. Why many Indonesian over here?
No. But in Indonesia, people the most как бы дружелюбные.
Most friendly.
Okay. Have you been Indonesia? Go to
No.
Indonesia?
Only in
No.
Russia or and in Turkish.
Ruski. Yeah. Are you from Russia?
Yeah. Russia. Yeah.
Can you speak English, my friend?
What?
Can you speak English?
Yeah.
Is it your girlfriend beside you?
Yeah.
Wow. Where is she? Wow, beautiful. So what are you doing in ometv?
We
Smoking.
are smoking.
Smoking and playing ometv?
Sure. Sorry.
Huh?
And play.
Playing ometv for what for? You have a girlfriend, but you play ometv? Are you searching for
Yeah.
Are you searching for another girl?
No.
Nano wae, no yes ente.
That's all we can say.
Oke deh. Lagi nyantai ya. You relax ya.
Yeah.
Ya. Nge-vaping.
15?
Iya. Ngerti kan lu?
No.
Gue juga nggak ngerti. Udah ya. Can you speak Indonesia? I'm from Indonesia because soalnya
No,
No.
we can't.
do you know Indonesia?
Yeah, sure.
Where is it?
On Earth.
On Earth ya. Grandmother no also tahu juga grandmother salto juga tahu. Aduh, inti nggak tahu sih. In Asia Southeast Asia, Bali. There are so many Russian in Bali beach.
Oh, we know it.
The tourists, yeah. Huh? Don't you know Bali?
No, no. I said many Russians in Bali.
Yeah, many Russian
that's we
in
know.
Bali. Yeah. Hello. Can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Where are you from?
We're from Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan. Where is it? Kazakhstan.
In central. Near
Cent-
the Russian. Near the Russian.
Only Russian. So you speak Russian or not?
Yes. We speak Kazakh, Russian, and English.
And English. Oh, you learn English in school?
No,
No.
we're in Kazakhstan.
Hah? Ya iya, sekolahnya di Kazakhstan, Panjul. you learn English by yourself or in school?
In we're going to English clubs.
English clubs in Kazakh.
Yes.
Yes. Oh.
Where are you from?
I am from Maduro.
Maduro?
Where is
No, I'm kidding. I'm from Taiwan.
Taiwan.
Do you know Taiwan?
Taiwan.
I can
Okay.
speak Chinese. Ni ciao semua mingse.
It's very good, but I don't understand.
You don't understand Chinese? Ah,
Yes.
what a shame.
You thought that we understand?
Ah,
You thought that we understand?
maybe because you look like Chinese people. Look like. with your narrow eyes. Nah, ya, kan? Bener kan? With your narrow eyes. Kazakh, the look is similar to the Chinese people, I think.
Are Chinese people beautiful?
Chinese people beautiful. Yeah, it depends to the individual people. Ada yang cakep, ada yang jelek.
In Kazakhstan, we have got not only people who looks like Chinese, like we have got people who looks
Like Russian,
Europe.
Europe.
Yeah.
Oh, Caucasian. What?
I have got a lot of friends and they're looking like, and they have got green or blue eyes.
Green and blue eyes. The left is green, the right is blue. This.
No, I think like my grandmother has got blue eyes.
Oh, that's beautiful eyes, blue eyes. And your eyes
But I
is
have
brown,
black.
black. Okay, because I am a colorblind man. Actually, I'm blind to the color, but partially. I
How
can.
old are you?
How old are me? Army lagi. I am 18.
18.
And you?
I'm 14. He's 12. I'm 12.
12. 14. So you are a junior student. Junior school student.
Yeah, West.
Junior school student. Oh, okay. Ngopi dulu lah. Take a break. Empty. How is COVID in your country? How is it COVID in your country? Is it a bad disaster?
We're not going to school. We're studying in house at home.
Since
And we're since April
April
2020.
2020.
Yes.
Oh, the same case in here in Indonesia.
But my sister is going to school in 11th of January.
11th of January. Oh, so it
But I'm
starts. It's your sister starts go to school in 11.
Going to,
11.
but I'm not going to.
Oh, okay.
11th of January.
So you use mask outside. Yeah. Understand?
No.
Do you use mask?
Smash? Dimash?
Yeah, mask.
Dimash Klebergen.
Iya. Iya itu apa namanya tuh gituan.